In this video, I'll guide you through how to close your Chime account. Whether you've decided to move on to a different financial service or simply no longer need your Chime account, I'm here to help you through the process step by step. Closing your account is straightforward, and I'll make sure you know exactly what to do. To begin, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device. Once you've launched the app, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll see the profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can access and manage various aspects of your account. In the profile section, you need to scroll down until you find the option that says Personal Info. Tap on this to enter your personal information settings. This area contains all the essential details about your account, and it's where you'll find the option to initiate the closure process. Once you're in the Personal Info section, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here, you will see an option labeled Close Account. Tap on this option, and you'll begin the process of closing your Chime account. Chime will then guide you through a series of on-screen instructions. Be sure to read these carefully, as they will confirm your request and provide any necessary steps you need to follow. This part of the process is crucial, as it ensures that you fully understand the implications of closing your account and verifies your decision. After you've followed all the on-screen instructions, your Chime account will be successfully scheduled for closure. It's as simple as that. Now, your account is set to be closed, and you can rest assured that you've handled everything correctly. And that's how to close your Chime account. Remember, if you ever change your mind or have any questions about the closure process, Chime's customer service is always available to assist you further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this information useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day.